The dream of many women is to have long and beautiful hair, isn't it true? We already have some natural recipes to help you with that. In today's video, we will show you a cinnamon and coconut oil hair mask. Have you ever heard about this combination before? If you want your hair to grow faster and stronger, you need to try this hair mask. According to Liana Zingarino, a hairstylist from the John Frieda Salon in New York, coconut oil hydrates dry hair and makes it shinier and softer. Not to mention that it also prevents breakage and split ends. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is a powerful ingredient that not only stimulates blood circulation, but also contributes to the growth and strength of the hair. Amazing, isn't it? Write down the ingredients: 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Making it is easy. In a bowl, mix all ingredients until it is uniform and consistent. Then apply the mask on your roots and massage your scalp. Let it act for 45 minutes and rinse. Repeat this procedure at least once a week. Try it and share your opinions with us in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.